Blossom English TV.
Listen, learn, and grow your English effortlessly.
Welcome to Blossom English TV. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Welcome to Day 5 of our daily English speaking practice. I am so proud of you for showing up today. This is how real progress happens, one day at a time. Learning to speak English is not magic. It is simply daily practice. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Today, we will practice 20 new daily sentences. Listen to my voice and repeat after me. I will speak each sentence 3 times, slow and clear. Ready? Let's begin. Please turn off the water tap. Please turn off the water tap. Please turn off the water tap. Awesome! I am ironing my clothes right now. I am ironing my clothes right now. I am ironing my clothes right now. Where did you keep the house keys? Where did you keep the house keys? Where did you keep the house keys? Can you help me fold these clothes? Can you help me fold these clothes? Can you help me fold these clothes? I need to sweep the floor today. I need to sweep the floor today. I need to sweep the floor today. Who is washing the dishes tonight? Who is washing the dishes tonight? Who is washing the dishes tonight? I am making a fresh cup of tea. I am making a fresh cup of tea. I am making a fresh cup of tea. Please put these books on the table. Please put these books on the table. Please put these books on the table. Do you know where the remote control is? Do you know where the remote control is? Do you know where the remote control is? I am wiping the kitchen counter. I am wiping the kitchen counter. I am wiping the kitchen counter. Great job! Let's continue. Please turn on the bedroom fan. Please turn on the bedroom fan. Please turn on the bedroom fan. I am cleaning the windows today. I am cleaning the windows today. I am cleaning the windows today. Where did you put my umbrella? Where did you put my umbrella? Where did you put my umbrella? Can you bring me a cup of coffee? Can you bring me a cup of coffee? Can you bring me a cup of coffee? I need to wash these muddy shoes. I need to wash these muddy shoes. I need to wash these muddy shoes. Please throw this garbage in the dustbin. Please throw this garbage in the dustbin. Please throw this garbage in the dustbin. I want to wash my face now. I want to wash my face now. I want to wash my face now. Where should I hang this wet towel? Where should I hang this wet towel? Where should I hang this wet towel? I am locking the main door. I am locking the main door. I am locking the main door. Thank you for keeping everything clean. Thank you for keeping everything clean. Thank you for keeping everything clean. Wow, you just completed Day 5 speaking practice. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime, repeat the sentences, and keep practicing. The more you speak out loud, the better your pronunciation will become. Consistent practice is the only secret. Until next time, keep your energy high, keep smiling, and remember that you absolutely can do this. I believe in you. Don't forget to continue practicing. See you tomorrow.